friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this Trader Joe's bulgogi beef in the air fryer. So it already comes packaged like this and marinated from Trader Joe's. It's a very popular product. Now if you want to make it from scratch, I also have a recipe for bulgogi from scratch on my website. Maybe one day I'll be making a video for that as well. But basically, a from scratch marinade consists of soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and garlic. And you can just marinate pieces of beef to make it from scratch. So now I'll just be cooking this Trader Joe's bulgogi in the air fryer. So very simple. It's already pre-marinated, so you just need to open the package and put it in the air fryer basket. Separate the pieces of beef. Now sometimes I do cut it in smaller pieces. I know when I make it from scratch I prefer it smaller, but to keep it simple we just leave it as big pieces. So now it's in the air fryer. Let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to flip the pieces of beef over and redistribute it so it cooks more evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. So now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look at the bulgogi beef. It looks so good. So now use the internal infrared thermometer to measure internal temperature. So for the beef to be well done, you want it to be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So now, whether it's ready or not depends on how you want your beef. So if you want it like medium well, then this is done for sure. 10 minutes at 400. Now if you want it to be more well done, you can add a few more minutes. So since those pieces are so big and they kind of overlap each other, so what I'm finding is some of them, they look more brown. Their temperature is over 145 and they're totally cooked, but some that were underneath, they're not as cooked. For example, like one here. So this is not 145, and for this particular meat, I do want it to be over 145. So I'm going to redistribute it so the more brown pieces would go on the bottom, and the ones that I don't think are as cooked would go on top. See, like this piece here, it's a little pink, so I know it's not as cooked as I'd like it to be. So it really depends on your preferences. For a more like medium beef, this is all done, just take it off and enjoy. But if you want to make it more done, then put it back in the air fryer. So what I'm going to do at this point is I will put it back in the air fryer for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 3 minutes. And after that, it should be done. So now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look at the beef. Now it's perfect. It looks perfectly cooked. And again, I'm gonna use the instant ring thermometer to make sure it's at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever temperature you like. So again, if you want it more rare, just cook it less, but this particular beef, I wanted it to be totally done. So now it's done, and let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good it looks. Amazing. So this is a great convenience item from Trader Joe's. Perfectly marinated beef. That's a great dinner shortcut. So bulgogi, it's a Korean flavor. Sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, and some sugar. Makes a perfect marinade. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So just cut it. And it seems very tender. Pierces so easily with a fork. It's so good. This meat is super tender. Marinade makes it very tender, so even if you cook it so it's totally done, it's not dried out at all. Very soft, tastes such a deep flavor, so marinated. You're going to love this beef bulgogi from Trader Joe's. An air fryer is perfect for cooking it. Just throw it in the air fryer and it cooks it for you to perfection. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!